Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training, and today we're going to define view filters. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me make videos like this. So we continue on with this electrical worker Revit Architecture 23 for electrical workers by Elise Moss. We're using these files for her. Thanks for those files. So first of all, we want to go into our view tab. We want to select filters here, and it's pretty simple how you do this. We want to go here and say new, and right here we're going to go emergency, see high, and we're going to go UG for underground, and we're going to say OK, and then here we want to select conduits and fittings. We'll click apply. Now next we'll go in here in our filter rules. We're going to go with description here, equals, and that's going to equal red dashed. And we're going to go apply. And then we're going to the next one here. We'll do another new one. And this will be emergency low. UG for underground. Please subscribe to the channel if I didn't say that already. And we're going to go with conduits. I'm going to go OK here. Conduit and conduit fittings. Going to go here with description. Equals, and right here this is going to be magenta dashed. Go apply here. Now for the next one here, we're going to just select on our emergency high. And this time we're going to duplicate this guy by clicking this, the duplicate button. Then we're going to select the one we duplicated, and then we're going to rename it here. So we're going to rename this to normal low. Oops. Underground. All right, and we're going to click OK. And now here, this is already ticked, thank goodness, because we just duplicated that one. So we got a little less work we can do here. So now I'm going to go here, normal low, underground here, and this is going to be, I'm going to select it here. And our color will be blue dashed. And we'll duplicate the normal underground here. Duplicate it. And we can take this guy and rename it here to normal high. I'm just making sure we got these guys right. Normal high, okay. And then this will be, we got normal low, normal high. This is going to be blue cyan dash, I'm sorry. We're going to go apply here. So now we have our emergency high, emergency low, our normal high, and our normal low underground. and we'll click OK here. Now we're going to go and look at our settings, how these all going to work and come together. So now we're going to go into our visibility graphics here, and we're going to our filters, and we're going to add. So we're going to select our emergency low. We're going to hit Control and select the ones we created: emergency normal high, normal low, and then we're going to click OK here. So now we have our filters named set up. So right now all we need to do here is go in and override these. So we're going to select our normal high, our emergency high, and we're going to select a pattern that's dashed. Our color for this one is going to be red. Just select that red right there. Okay. And we're going to go with a line weight of thickness of 3 and select OK. So for our next one, our underground low, our UG underground, we're going to select override here. This one's going to be magenta, dashed again, and then the color is magenta, I think. With yeah, that's magenta right there. Okay. And line weight is 3. I'm going to go OK here. The next one here is our low, and very simply you'll just go and select the override again here, folks. And pattern is going to be dashed. Color is going to be blue. Okay, and our weight's going to be 3. And for the normal high, same deal. We'll select it. It will be dashed, pattern. Our color will be cyan. And our line weight will be 3. And we'll go OK. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. This is how we basically set up our filters that we're going to be using for our conduit when we work in our project. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.